Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Duolingo Premium for free. The easiest way is to get the free trial. Launch the Duolingo app on your phone, click on the gems icon at the top of the screen. Now tap on the Try 1 Week for Free button. This will give you full access to Super Duolingo for free for 7 days. Next, Duolingo will ask you to set a reminder before your free trial ends. Choose 2 days before or 3 days before. This helps you cancel the subscription in time if you don't want to be charged. After that, click on Start My Free Week. Now choose your plan. Individual plan for single user. Family plan for multiple family members. Select the plan you want. Don't worry, you will not be charged during the free trial. Tap Try for $0 to begin your free week. Finally, add your debit or credit card details to activate the trial. That's it. This is how you can use Duolingo Premium for free or at low cost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.